Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad K Sangma ha ke Nyngkong ula Plie paidbah ke State Univesity ban Nyngkong berlong try da ke Jylla. Kani ke university ke diga bela ainam ha ke kyrteng Myntri Rangbah ban Nyngkong ke Meghalaya Captain Williamson Sangma. Badon ke jingthaw ban kintiaw ki kamwat benia ni research banwan ra ki but bethamai ni innovation bat ke jingpuli bakinsai ha Jylla. Kani ke university kan syakri tanya ke higher education. Hynrei kan kentiru iki kamwat benia bat ke jingwan ra iki but trikam bethamai ke banwan ra ke jingkylla ha ke kampuli dangle hapoh ke Jylla.
Youngsters and the students who will study here, you have this opportunity which nobody else will have, because the foundations that you will lay is going to ensure the future of not just the university, but the future of our state, as mentioned by our education minister. We are with you to support you in every way possible. I know we need huge investments. I'm not saying I can do all of it in one go, but we will work hand in hand.
Significant post-harvest festival of the Garo tribe and also the Thanksgiving ceremony to Mrs. Jong, also known as Captain Williamson Sangma, the great giver for having blessed the human beings with rich harvest of the season. The dance items are all enactments of various actions of men.
Hagani ke Jylla Plie laidon lang ki kinram kilindan berkentup yau lampang sembut Thomas A Sangma sembut Myntri Rangbah ba asnyo bhalang dhar Myntri ka puli puthi rakam A Sangma Myntri kam boarding Abu Teher Mondal bat kiwei. Kani ke university kan ai ka jing syakri halor ka jingdan kam ki samla puli ha ka higher education but ai ka kabu ki samla puli bakin let puli ya ka undergraduate but postgraduate course klem dan kam banyakhun ya ka common university entrance test ni CUET. Bakanya kan sngi kum sngi bansa jingkan mau ha ka history ke Jylla Myntri Rangbah ula Pynbna ba ka Sorkar kan sepliru ya ka Shillong Campus ke ban pensuk ya ka jing syakri bat kumjuru iki samla puli ka rilum khasi bat jaintia. Kani ke university ban Nyngkong balong try hi ka Sorkar kedai ke belayo jing itu na ka University Grant Commission bat kelayo pediang ru ya shibun ki application ki college bakin mynjur.